Students, let's discuss some string functions used in MySQL. The first one, as you can see in the slide, is the lower function. So basically, what is the lower function? The lower function converts a string into lowercase. That means if the string consists of any capital letters, it will be converted into small letters. So by lowercase, we mean small letters. Now check the example at the top. The example is the query which says select lower of computer followed by semicolon. As you can see, all the alphabets in the word computer are in capital. So lower of computer converts it into small letters. That's why the output just below the query shows the word computer in small letters. Now, similarly see the second one, which is the upper function. So basically, what is the upper function? The upper function converts a string into uppercase. Now consider the query at the bottom of the slide. The query is select upper of keyboard followed by semicolon. All the letters of the word keyboard are small. So the function upper of keyboard converts the letters into capital. That's why in the output below you can see the word keyboard in capital. In this slide, I will be explaining you about the mid function. Now see the definition at the top. Mid function. The mid function retrieves part of a string. The example below will make you understand. The example is a query. Check the query. Select mid within bracket technology, 2, 5 followed by semicolon. So what does this query mean? See the numbers separated by comma just after the word technology. They have different meanings. The first number is the starting position. In this query, it is 2. And the second number is the number of letters to be extracted. In this query, it is 5. So, if 2 is the starting position, then from the word technology, the starting letter will be E. And since 5 letters are to be extracted, so take 5 letters in total from the word technology including E, which gives ECHNO. That's why the output is ECHNO. That's it. In this slide, I will be teaching you about the LPad function. So basically, what is this LPad function? This function pads n numbers of characters from the left side of a string. Here n is a user-defined number. Check the syntax below. The syntax is LPad, then C within bracket you have expression oblique column name, comma length, comma padding expression. Then the bracket closes followed by semicolon. I shall explain this syntax with the help of an example below. Check the example. Select LPad, then within bracket see the text eclipse. This text eclipse is a string expression. Then comma, see the number 20. Number 20 here is the total length. Comma, see the symbol hash. Symbol hash here is the padding character. So the query is select LPad within bracket eclipse, 20, hash followed by semicolon. Now let's understand the purpose of the total length 20 in this query. At first, see the string eclipse. it consists of 7 letters. Now if we are to make that string to 20 characters, we have to add 13 numbers of the padding character hash more to the left of the string eclipse. So this results in the padding character hash being displayed 13 times followed by the word eclipse. The output is listed below, which shows 13 hash symbols followed by the word eclipse of 7 letters to give the total length of the string as 20. So that's the purpose of the total length 20 in this query, and you get the output as shown in the slide below. In this slide, I will explain you about the Arpad function. This Arpad function is very much similar to the LPad function, but there is a slight adjustment. Check the definition at the top. This Arpad function pads n numbers of characters from the right side of a string. Check the syntax below. The syntax is Arpad, then within bracket, expression oblique column name, comma length, comma padding expression, followed by semicolon. I will explain this syntax with the help of an example. Check the example below. Select Arpad within bracket, see the text eclipse. This text eclipse here is the string expression, comma, then see the number 20. Here this number 20 is the total length. Then comma again, see this symbol hash. Symbol hash here is the padding character. Now let's understand the purpose of the total length 20 in this query. At first, see the string eclipse. It consists of 7 letters. Now if we are to make that string to 20 characters, we have to add 13 numbers of the padding character hash more to the right side of the string eclipse. Now this results in the string eclipse being displayed followed by 13 hash symbols. The output is listed below, which shows the string eclipse followed by 13 hash symbols to give the total length of the string as 20. In this slide, I will be teaching you about the numeric function called power. So basically, what is this numeric function power? This function power multiplies the base m with the exponent n. Now see the first example. The query is select power within bracket 2, 3 followed by semicolon. In this query, the 2 is the base and 3 is the exponent. Since the exponent here is 3, so the base number 2 will be multiplied 3 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2, which gives 8. That's why the output also is 8. Again, check the second example. The query says select power within bracket 3, 2 followed by semicolon. Here the base is 3 and the exponent is 2. Since the exponent here is 2, so the base number 3 will be multiplied 2 times. That is 3 into 3, which gives 9. That's why the output below also gives 9. Take out page number 134. See the short answer type questions, question 12. In this slide, I will solve question 12 for you. See the first query A. Select lower, then within bracket, the text RAM in capital letters, followed by semicolon. The result will be the letter RAM in small letters as listed in the answers, because this function lower converts uppercase characters into lowercase. Then come below, see the next query B. Select power within bracket 2, 10. Here 2 is the base number and 10 is the exponent. So multiply the base number to 10 times, which gives the result 1024. Then see the next query C. Select mid within bracket the text Sri Ganesh in quotation, 1, 3. 1 here is the start position, so it should start with the letter S, and 3 is the total number of letters to be extracted. So include the letters R and I along with S. This gives the result as 3. Then come to the last query, that is D. Select LPad within bracket 120, the number 0 in quotation, 5 followed by a semicolon. As you can see that the middle number 0 is within quotations, so it changes into a string. As a result, this number cannot represent the total length once it becomes a string, so the result is no output as listed in the answers.